Okay guys, welcome to lesson 4. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to use the pattern tool to pattern in 2 directions to change this 1x1 into a 2x4 flat. So once again, the first thing you do is you save this as the desired size you want it to be. So click on the file symbol, save as, and this time I'm going to change it to a 2x4 flat. Click on save. It saves it. You'll see the name change here as well as up here. And I'm going to also delete that shell before I start patterning anything. And now I'm going to use my pattern tool. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Click on the pattern tool, rectangular pattern. It's asking me for the body, so I'm going to select that body there. You can see it's now selected, an object I should say. Then the direction it wants to know the patterning. So I'm going to click on the direction box, then select one edge here, and then as I drag that away, you can see it defaults once again to 3, but I'm just going to pattern this twice in this direction. I'm going to go 4 in that direction out there. So change this first box to 2. The distance between that face and that face, as we said before, was 2 times 7.9. But because this is only one pattern, it is a distance of 7.9. And then rather than clicking OK, you can see we've now got this second patterning direction, which is controlled by this arrow here. If I click and drag that arrow out, you'll see that it also defaults to 3 quantities. I'll change that to 4. And the distance in between that first face and the face of the pattern, it's not 11, it needs to be 7.9 as well. Let's check that looks correct. You can suppress parts of these patterns as you wish, which is kind of cool that you can actually turn that one off and sort of stuff if that was something you really want to do as well. But we need those all for a 4x2. Click OK. Okay, now at this moment they're all separate bodies, and you can see here I've expanded my bodies file tree, and they're all individual bodies. So I'm going to select the top body, hold down the shift key, select the bottom body so they all select, and then use the combine tool to combine those together and click on OK. We now have our 2x4 or 4x2 flat. Make sure you click on save, and also shell. So I better hit shift and rotate this around. Don't forget to shell it. Select the bottom surface, click on the shell tool, type the distance in of 1.45 and click OK. Righto, so there's your 2x4 flat ready to go. Click on save and off you go.